Good morning. In this video, we will be discussing the reaction of nickel chloride and sodium hydroxide. The experiment consists of a double displacement reaction. A double displacement reaction is a reaction in which two reactant ionic compounds exchange ions to form two new product compounds with the same ions. The cations and anions of two different compounds switch places, which result in two new substances. In the experiment, the observer will produce two different compounds using the same ions from the reactants.
To start off, take two 50 milliliter beakers from the container shelf and place them on the lab station. Add 15 milliliters of 1 mole sodium hydroxide to one of the beakers. Add 6 milliliters of nickel chloride to the other beaker. Label your beakers if deemed necessary. Observe the aqueous solutions in their separate containers. Sodium hydroxide is a clear aqueous solution, while nickel chloride is a green aqueous solution. Pour the contents of one beaker into the other beaker, mixing the reactants. Observe the reaction. The reaction ends up producing nickel hydroxide, a solid, and sodium chloride, an aqueous solution. The product beaker visibly displays a nickel hydroxide precipitate submerged in the aqueous sodium chloride.
When reacted together, the products that are formed consist of a nickel hydroxide, a solid precipitate, and sodium chloride, an aqueous solution.
The resulting experiment contains 2 moles of aqueous sodium hydroxide plus 1 mole of aqueous nickel chloride, which when reacted together produces 1 mole of solid nickel hydroxide and 2 moles of aqueous sodium chloride.